We are a wealthy state. What we do have is a life or death weakness with misdistribution of our resources because of state tax policy that concentrates public wealth into fewer hands at the top. And the oligarchs who benefit from the system that makes them rich use large campaign contributions laundered through ever-increasing and creative political action committees to create even greater political muscle to protect their economic might. In Nevada, the mining industry hires a lobbyist for every state senator, matching personalities, gifts, campaign cash to ensure that their will is carried out. They also pour money into leadership PACs that then dole out the money to caucus members to get around contribution limits. These corporate contributors later demand tax perks, lax oversight, and special interest legislation as the price of their support. And even progressive legislators turn a blind eye to it, insisting money buys access but never a vote. What if we got rid of the pernicious influence of money in Nevada politics by enacting publicly funded elections? More lawmakers would make decisions based on the long-term health of our state.